aspire, and keep me gay in song and more, till she whom I must serve entire forbade my singing with her law, and by her creed my song was excommunicate indeed. Renewed, and none among the counts was reckoned there accrued of the young king of major land. I joy, for he would understand. Now they shall hold him as command those who their fief sow to his hand, since he has vanquished them at a rats, now stands his due, and he reclaims his rights from every view. Do not hold me for slander's band, if I wish Lord's to wrath expand, for the vast is best understand, and cast the lands with looser hand, enjoy a Lord more free of flaw. This faith is true, rich men in war outshine the peace they knew of the young king of major land. I joy, for he would understand. Slanderers will brand my truth their falsehood to withstand. Call me a meddler through the land, for I let them push and command the gifts my brother swore by law, and granted too. The other half he still seeks to accrue, since they know right nor love a plan, nor any plea will countermand, not by a worker's idle hand. If I could seize back my own brand, must I be blamed by every jaw they suits renew, full many times, though none have bid them to. But I have teachers on each hand, by Christ which path is best unmanned, when I seize riches from the bland, who let no healing on me land. They say that I am rash and raw when war I rue, now they all say that I am base untrue. Swift to his command, to the young king my message draw. Too much sleep does not please me at all. Lord, yes and no, love's peace is saw by faith I understand, and Brother John disinherited in the land.